Hi, how to remove the black bars when inserting images or certain videos of a certain size. This is a quick fix. Now, once you've got your media in your timeline, if you click on the event pan crop, or you can right mouse on it and select video event pan and crop. If you set the preset to widescreen TV aspect ratio, then it will expand it out to full screen. Obviously because this is a view here, it's actually chopping the photo, so what you can do is you can move it up and down to get it to how you want, or you can zoom it in and out as well. I'll show you how to do that. Your left mouse click on the photo and then press the down cursor or up cursor key to move it up and down. You can move it with the mouse as well, but you may make a mistake by moving it to one side. You can move it exactly how you want, so I'm going to put it about there. So that's perfect for what I want. So now we've got a full screen image to render. Now if you wanted to zoom in on a certain point, you can do that as well. So then pan and crop. I'm going to put it to widescreen. If you get to the top left of the little box around, that's the view area of the screen. You can drag the left mouse down and scale it to exactly what you want. So you can zoom in on any part of the photo exactly as you want. And that's how to get rid of the black bars at the side. Give it a try.